Oyaore, again onichio maber. Good morning, I hope you're well. Today's video is about the future of this channel with the circumstances that have befell us in the past 3 months. Now we've had some challenges and I just want to rant about what we think we shall be doing in the future of this video. Now if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and this is a channel where we teach Luo language, and what we do here is we try to translate Luo into English and English into Luo and vice versa. The first thing I want to talk about is the COVID-19 issue. Now this has been a global issue and it has affected us in that it has affected our flow of information. It has affected the way we do our videos. We no longer can be able to do videos every day or every week the way we used to. We are hoping that as things try to get into the new normal, we shall be able to revert to what we used to do or do something better than what we used to do. So please bear with us. I know that most of you have been asking us why our videos are not uploading, but it is because of circumstances beyond our control. Issues to do with the economy, issues to do with time, issues to do with working at home, and so many issues that are brought about by the COVID-19. So for that reason, we shall not be able to post as frequently as we would have wished to. Now, the second thing we want to talk about is the YouTube requirement on children content. Now, we had made our channel to be a children's accessible channel, but we have removed one of those requirements, and now we shall be marking the videos that are meant for children as meant for children. So, which means that you can now comment on our videos, and then you can also get the notification to our videos when we post. Now the good thing about this is now we'll get many more people notified about the videos that we've posted, and then we'll get comments and feedback about the videos and what we're doing. And also the good thing again is the children will be able to access what they're supposed to access by us notifying them that this is the children's video, something like that. But don't worry about it. Now you can be able to comment on the videos, and please comment on this video to prove that you can be able to comment on the videos, just so that we know that it works. Okay. Now third thing is our Facebook channel. Our Facebook channel is almost getting to 10,000 views. Not 10,000 views, 10,000 followers. And I know maybe some of you are not following us on Facebook, but believe it or not, we are more active on Facebook too, because in Facebook we post one post a day, and the posts usually have very many comments. So if you're looking for Luo content and you want to see organized content that is, and we actually moderate the comments, so we don't just allow any comment, you can actually follow the Facebook page, and we'll just link it here so that you follow the discussions on the page, but you can also bring the discussions to YouTube, and then we can use that discussion to make you can use the discussions to make suggestions about videos. So that way it rolls over. The discussion rolls over from Facebook to YouTube, and from YouTube to Facebook, and vice versa. Now, one thing we've done is that we have our website. So we are trying to upload content onto the website that is downloadable for those who are learning, so that you are able to download and learn with the video, like scripts and all that. So you can be able to read the script and also watch the video. In that way, you can be able to work with both of them. And I'm hoping that this will help you learn the language better I'm hoping that this will bring ideas to you, and these ideas you share with us, and of course we'll be making videos about that. So what are some of the upcoming projects? Now, for the upcoming projects, there's one project that we started a long time, about 1 month ago, where we were diversifying the accents in Luo language, and we've received a few videos of people talking in Luo.
Amoso ahinya, an amor ahinya kod Luo English Dictionary channel nikech opuonjo ji kaka wan modongo kuma joluo onge. An awuok Kenya kan higni 8, to mamawa ne wuoyo kodwa dholuo e ot. Unyalo rango channel na YouTube, Instagram kod Facebook, iluonge ni Afrocentric Spaza. Oritiuru, Nyasaye ogwedhu.
Now that project is still on, and it has not been stopped. So I'm linking the video for that project onto this video, and you can click on that and see the requirements. You can send us, it's just a WhatsApp message of, we need either a voice or a video of you speaking Luo. Now don't mind, if you don't want your name to be in the public, then it's okay. Just let us know that you don't want your name to be in the public, and then we shall incorporate you into the video. Now we only have, so far we have about 15 videos that we've received, and so many voices, but those are not enough. We want to do a comprehensive culture diversity, and in this we want to feature all the Luo accents that we can be able to get. So if you've not watched that video, please do watch that video and send us feedback. Please send us your voice. We just need like 2 minutes of you talking in Luo, and then that would be good enough. If you're new, if you're not a Luo speaker, we also encourage you to just send us the way you're speaking right now, and maybe we'll appreciate that, okay? And some other upcoming projects are on issues of, now we'll be making PowerPoint presentations, and these presentations will be sharing them on our YouTube, not your YouTube. We'll be sharing the presentations on our website. And usually we share on the website, and you can be able to download that. Please go and download these things. Don't just leave them there, because we are paying for this website and we don't want it to just be wasted like that. And thank you for so many people who have subscribed to the newsletter for the website, because now we are beginning to send periodic updates on newsletters. We are trying to make this as frequent as we possibly can. Of course, it's only the two of us, me and my daughter. If you remember, she's the one we started with. Okay. Then something else is about Twitter. We are also in Twitter. Twitter is Luo English Dict at Luo English Dict. I'll just put a link somewhere here so that you see our Twitter handle, and you can interact with us on Twitter too. The thing is, we are trying to get into all these channels so that we get all these different people, different dimensions of people. We also have an Instagram channel, and we post pictures there. We have a very good photographer who is now taking our photographs. Now, we now do original photographs. We don't get photographs from all over the place. So we have someone who is doing our photographs for us, and you can follow our Instagram page to see the photos that we do. We also post, we cross-post the photos in both YouTube and, not YouTube, but in Facebook and Instagram. So you can go see the photos, comments, and see what people are thinking about, and that would be good enough for you. Okay. Then probably the last thing I want to talk about is the live videos. We started this channel in January of 2019, 18? No, when we started the first video. Yes, in January of 2019. That's when we posted the first video with my daughter. And that video now has 11,000 views. Thank you so much, everybody who's been viewing and liking the video. And what we want to do now is we want to do a live, YouTube live. We want to schedule sessions of YouTube live, but we are looking for the content to give during the live sessions. We don't just want to be live and greet people on the channel. We want to at least schedule in such a way that every live session has something different to do. If you have ideas about what you want us to tackle during the live sessions, if you have an idea of the time, and please, can you maybe comment down below that this is the time that is appropriate for me, and then we shall see how much time what people are suggesting and where all the demographics are, and then we can make a suggestion of what type we can do the videos. I'm hoping that we shall still be having the flexibility of time because of the COVID-19 situation. But if somehow something happens and the virus goes away, then of course it means that we now have to again look for time that we are available to do the thing. The reason why we are going into live is now probably in the next 2 months we shall be at home most of the time due to the virus, and we shall be having time to actually go online and do all these other things. So if you have suggestions on what you want us to talk about on the live sessions, please comment down below, down below, and then we shall be able to quickly work on a script to do that. Now, finally, did I say finally the first time? Okay, this is another finally. Finally is we are still looking for collaborations and sponsorship. These things are very difficult. We have tried to do our best. We have done 150 videos, 160 videos. Nikki is the one who edits the videos. Sometimes she's busy with schoolwork and all that, and we need support. If you want to support this channel, we have a Patreon page. I'll link the Patreon page on this video. You can click on the Patreon and you can support us with $1 a month. I mean, it's not like we want $1 million from you. You can support us with $1 a month or something like that, and that way we can be able to work with you. Nikki, come and say hi to your people. So that is how we shall be rolling.
Hello, my people.
Tell
How
them
are you
about
doing?
what has happened so far.
Well, we're still in quarantine.
Yeah.
We're still in quarantine. We're currently doing this from outside, as you can see, wonderful nature. And I've been learning Luo with my parents and all that. I've also been progressing on how I understand Luo. Although I don't speak it as much, I can still understand it.
Yes, and maybe you can compare. We shall do a video to compare how she started in 2019
Yeah.
with how she can learn, how she's learning now, and you'll see the difference. Actually, now she understands most of the conversations because we hold conversations in Luo in my house. She understands most of them. Sometimes she just understands her own things, but she still understands all the same. As compared to when we started, she is much better, and it means that this worked. So thank you all for your support and for encouraging her all the way.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you. Adwaro wacho ni adwaro wacho ni asante to everyone who has
Asante is Swahili. Oh, another thing. The other thing about this is, you see, when we left our country, we had Luo, English, and Swahili.
Yes.
And now there's a competing thing of, do I master English, do I master Swahili, or do I master Luo, or do I do all of them together? And so that has been the challenge. So now Nikki mixes English, Swahili, and Luo, but I want her to stick to one when she's speaking to people, okay? But then it's acceptable because, I mean, there's nobody else who is speaking Swahili here, and I mean,
Yeah.
koro wach ni erokamano, ginene.
Adwaro ni wach ni erokamano to those subscribers out there. Nyasaye ogwedhu. Fuck me.
All right. So we really appreciate your feedback. And going forward, we shall be doing videos on our previous content. We'll be putting in a lot of content. I'm hoping that, I cannot promise anything for now, but I'm hoping that we shall be consistent, maybe once a week or something. We shall do something. All right. So thank you so much. God bless you. Erokamano ahinya. Nyasaye ogwedhu. Ne jogo madwaro ni mondo owach dholuo kodwa, otwag kodwa e mbui ni, wadwaro ni mondo sani wabed gi kanyakla kodu, wago kata mana simo to waketo record kaso waketo e mbui. Adwaro ni mondo channel ni bang' higni moko 10 ka nyithindo biro ng'iyo to giyudo kaka dholuo ne ji wacho higni 10 mokalo. Ok wadwar ni mondo an kende mabed nawacho dholuo ka. Koro wadwaro ni mondo osiepega kudwaro to kuyie mondo udonj e YouTube ka uwach weche mwanyawacho mondo sama uwachogo wabo mako gi e picha. Ka wasemako gi e picha to waketo gi kaendi. And we want diversity. Ok wadwa mana ni ng'ato achiel ema wuoyo. E gin channel ni ok en nyinga. E gin wakete ni Luo English Dictionary. Dine adwaro din aketa ni nyinga. Masto koro bet aweta gika kenda. But gini en mar oganda, en dholuo. Koro dholuo en marwa wate. An ok an special case. Erouru kamano and uri maber. Meanwhile, luok lweti, sanitize, gine. Ang'o?
And stay safe.
Gine ne social distance, sanitize, mask. Ang'o kendo? All those things that government is saying. Watimuru gigi mondo gini odhiyo mondo wae. Let's go back to our life. Waol. Donge? Haya, oritu.
Bye bye.